Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna bring you a very special drink. It's none other than the Cherry Delight cocktail. It's very easy, very simple. I actually started following someone on Instagram and I was like, that drink, looks very interesting, but I can add my own twist to it. So if you're curious to find out my very own twist, make sure you stay tuned. All right guys, so basically you're gonna get your bullet, no shaker today, just a bullet. I already got 3 cherries right here, fresh, nice. You're gonna throw them right in there, 3 cherries. You're gonna get about half a lemon. Bam. Squeeze those juices in there. There you go. And then you're gonna use maybe about half an ounce of Benedict. Just half an ounce, you guys. Boom. Then you're gonna go with 1 ounce of Cherry Brandy. I know the last video I said don't use brandy. I don't like it that much. But hey, drink does call for Cherry Brandy, so you need some Cherry Brandy in your life, right? 1 ounce of it. Gonna follow it up with about 1 ounce to 1.5 ounces of your own very own favorite vodka. I'm gonna use 1 ounce. Actually, I had a pretty good day at work today, so you know I don't need to get fucked up tonight. Why fuck up my liver? It was a good day at work. Just 1 ounce. Nothing more, nothing less. Bam. Recipe does call for ½ ounce of simple syrup. But I already got the cherries in there. They are gonna add some sweetness to it, and they are gonna add that bitter taste that I love. So I'm only gonna go with 1/4 ounce of simple syrup, you guys. Not too much, just 1/4 ounce. So now you're gonna get a couple of ice cubes in here. Nothing too crazy. So throw them in there. Nothing too much to dilute the drink. So get there in there. Start mixing. So after doing this for a very long time, taking your time with it, making sure everything blends in perfectly, gonna open it up, get your nice cup or cocktail glass in this case, get your strainer, boom, put it right in there. Make sure the other one's right on top. You should chill your glass, but I'm not going to, just because I want to show you how the cocktail actually looks. So let's put this right in there, guys. Almost reminds me of a Cosmopolitan, so almost looks like it. Very nice too, very beautiful bright red color. After taking your time with that, you're gonna garnish this drink. So the best way I found that this works out for me is putting cherry, get it through the back, bam, throwing it in there, get another cherry. Very simple and easy. You know what I forgot? Salting the rim of the fucking cocktail. Pura madre. Alright guys, so I couldn't really just leave you guys like that, you know? I want you guys to look at a beautiful drink. Look at that, you guys. Salted rim, little freaking lemon wedge right there. Drifting inside. That's how it should look. My bad. I apologize sincerely from the bottom of my soul. If there's any other drinks out there, you already know. Just drop them down below. And, you know, there's a drink. Cherry Delight cocktail. Bam. At its finest. Sorry about the other one. Hopefully you can forgive me.